Welcome, here I've got REALME Narzo 35G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner button so we can open the camera settings. And here at the third position we have shutter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off when we move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear anything now. And of course when we pick the right settings button once again and the shutter sound, we can turn it on and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.